because your mind has gotten accustomed to coping with stress by teeth grinding, the conscious mind will kick in that habit of grinding your teeth so as to relieve or to provide you with a temporary relief with this stress. And that's actually where the chronic stress comes from. It doesn't come because of present events. It comes because there's a past event which caused a lot of stress in your life, but that past event you've never really made peace with it. It can be trauma or some unhealed wounds or some things you've never processed, some just emotions you've never processed. So all these emotions take a toll in you, and they're always like stored in the subconscious part of your mind, or we can call it in that basement.